Hi everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm doing this review for people that are not sure if they want to try the On Veneers. I myself, I was a little nervous thinking they weren't going to fit properly or people will be able to tell that I was wearing them. My teeth did get a little bad the last couple of years due to childbirth and just not proper dental care. I got my On Veneers and I just wanted to show you guys the finished look. So when in the morning, I pick them up, I rinse them out, which I've already done. And I brush my teeth, I brush my veneers, and I put them in. Amazing. Instant, beautiful smile, like must buys. So if you're second guessing or you're kind of not sure if you want to buy them or not, hopefully this video helps you make your best decision.